In this lesson, let's go ahead and learn about Azure AD Domain Join. Traditionally, on your premise, when you had domain controllers, you could easily join your Windows 10 and Windows 7 and 8 devices to the domain. With that, you got several advanced features, for example, single sign-on, enterprise control and security on all your devices, and you can restrict your devices as well. In Azure AD, although it is in the cloud, you can still join your devices to your cloud-based Active Directory or Azure AD. You can let your employees bring their own devices and allow them to single sign on using the devices that they own or even corporate devices. This will empower your users to be productive wherever and whenever they want. At the same time, IT administrators must ensure that these assets are protected and devices must meet certain security and compliance requirements as well. Let's talk about the Azure AD Domain Join benefits. With the advent of cloud, today we got lots of applications as software as a service applications and services. When you join your device to Azure AD, you get the benefit of single sign-on. Your users will not have to do any additional authentication prompts when accessing the work resources. So the SSO functionality is available even when users are not connected to the domain network. You also get enterprise compliant roaming of user settings across the joined devices. Users do not need to connect to a Microsoft account like a Hotmail account or something. They can continue to use their corporate email account, and those settings will be propagating to all the devices. You will get access to the Windows Store for Business when you use your Azure AD account. Your users can choose from a range of applications that are pre-selected by your organization. There's a Windows Hello support for secure and convenient access to work resources. You can have restriction of access to applications from only devices that meet compliance policies. Not just cloud, you can also have seamless access to your on-premise resources when the device has a line of sight to the on-premise domain controller. So it's just not about cloud-based applications, but also on-premise applications. What's important to understand is also the connection options we have to connect to Azure AD. How can you connect to Azure AD? So there are two options. One is registering the device. Second is joining the device. Registering a device to Azure AD enables you to manage a device's identity. That means when a device is registered, Azure AD Device Registration provides the device with an identity that is then used to authenticate it every time a user signs in to Azure AD. The second one is joining a device. Joining a device is an extension to registering a device. That means that it provides you with all the benefits of registering a device, and in addition to that, you can change the local state of the device. Changing the local state enables your users to sign into the device using an organization account, work account, or school account instead of a personal account. Enterprises usually combine this registration with an MDM solution such as Microsoft Intune. Now, MDM is Mobile Device Management Solution, and organizations that have corporate enterprise agreements with Microsoft, they will onboard Microsoft Intune to their enterprise to manage all such devices. Now, what does that mean? It means that you are bringing lots of security and compliance into your organization with the help of integration capabilities with Azure AD Domain Join and MDM solutions.